Hi again. Now I'll talk about some improvements I did on the comments UI for writers specifically. The main improvement is a new threaded view of the comments. In the previous view of the comments, all the comments are shown in a big list. Comments are grouped by replies. A group of replies to the same comment are shown together, while separate groups are shown separately. And the user can reply to any existing comment. That includes replying to replies. But the UI does not give you any indication of how that reply got there. It's just in the same group of replies. So it's a big list where you have to know or understand what is replying to what. So the obvious improvement with that is show them in the thread form that the ability to replies imply. In this way, the replies are indented to indicate which level of reply they are and are connected to the original comment they are replied to. It's much easier to see at a glance if it's a conversation that took many branches or like a linear conversation when the same people kept responding to each other or different kinds of comments. Another improvement with representation of the comments is showing the comments on the site in small boxes is usually very good. They are non-intrusive. You can look at the comments and look at the document at the same time. But if the comments are very long or very verbose, that boxes are not suited to be read. There are scroll bars if the text gets too large, but doing scrolls in a very small box that contains a lot of text is a very bad user experience. If you ever tried one, it's very easy to get lost while trying to read. So we added an option to show comments bigger, as showcased before by Richard. Now you can get a set of reply comments, a cluster of comments, and show them in a way that occupies the full space of your display over the document. In this case, overlapping the document is not a problem because the user is specifically asking to view those comments as good as it can. And also, the reply functionality and the modify functionality, which open an editable text box, also work in this pop-out mode, so you can write long comments in a way that you can read what you're writing instead of it getting lost in a very small scroll bar. One small technical change that is presented, since the size of the comments keeps changing without any real changes to the comments, usually changes how it shows. We needed a better facility to scroll comments into view. Because if a user says, I want this comment big, then it will be shorter, so it will fit the screen. But if it says it wants it small, it will be larger, so it might go out of the screen, which would be a bad experience. So we then scroll the comment back into the screen to make sure the user doesn't get lost while changing between pop-up mode and the normal side-scrolling comments. Finally, this new thread implementation leads to a kind of intuitive new functionality, which is breaking a thread, a conversation in multiple threads. If it's gone long enough, like if there's a comment, there's a reply, and this reply starts a whole new subset of conversations that really should be so comment set, then it's obvious to see with the threaded UI. So we added the functionality to be able to say this comment, now it's a full comment, and it will break apart all its replies in its own set and make it much easier to read and follow around, which is the intention of all these changes. And that was all I meet now. Thank you.